Hello and welcome to another free code session. My name is Jason Bach. We're going to continue the adventure of this new analyzer I'm writing for CSLA, where we discovered in the last episode that I'm almost done with my beer. Also done with the chips, so that's not going to be crunching. But we discovered that this isn't actually, it's saying it's failing here in the test, but it's not failing when I do it in the integration test extensibility project thingy. So why is that? What we want to do is debug, good. And this, and we'll see why it thinks it's passing here. Okay. So, there's a stereotype, and it is a... Oh, actually, I need to change that. I'll change that quick, because Rocky and I decided it should be for any operation, not just a root one. So, I'll make it any data portal operation. But, okay, we get the task type, and... Oh, did it get it? Yeah, it did. Okay, cool. So it reports it, right? So it returns voice false. This must be true. Wait a minute. Oh, that's... Return type is a what? It's a string. Yeah, okay, that's true. They don't equal. So it's false or false, so it's going to be false, but then the not of it is the true. So it does fail. Okay. So that's correct. That is a little disconcerting. Why would that not work? Why would that not work here? This is also the pain with the extensibility one, is that you don't see, at least you didn't see because it's not as a package, you don't see it as a, you don't see it as like which ones actually show up. So I'm a little concerned because I'm just curious if I take these off, it shouldn't matter. And it doesn't. You know what? I'm just kind of curious. Okay, let's go back here. Let's actually debug it and let's then comment that in when I get that far. This is, well, I could debug this too from the other spot. Actually, if you did do that as a project reference, you couldn't debug like what I'm doing here. That would be one disadvantage of the technique I mentioned in the last episode. We get references as a project, because how would you be able to, if this was showing up there, how could you debug that? That doesn't make any sense. So you'd still need something like this. Okay. Oh crap, this is going to fire like all the damn time because I got all these other things in here that are showing up that I don't want to. Let's go away. You're probably firing like massively. Yes. Okay, uncomment the thing. It's not that hard. There we go. Okay. So, what is the method symbol here? It is a string. What about the task type? It is a task. Does it return void? No, it doesn't. You should be reporting... Oh. Oh my god, the source span is like nothing. No wonder. I bet, okay. So is it reporting it? Or is it going off into the ether? Like for some reason. Okay, no, they all popped up. Okay. Serializable. Vibration. Is there it doesn't show up in the list here though. Let's check it again. Let's get rid of the warnings. Let's focus on these. Okay, no arguments. Those are actually from Rocky's own stuff. Okay. Save, public site read only, operation types. I don't have a 11 in here, or whatever it should be. Yeah, it doesn't. Well, 12. That's what it is. It's a 12. All right. Yeah, I don't show a 9 here either. I should probably fix that. If I come back here, this is a 12, right? Yeah. This, that little thing that we found. But so that's weird. It's not... I guess if you don't give it a location that actually has a location, it doesn't work. So if I come back over here to this test, let's come back here and set that. Debug that. Locations. Metadata location. Source span. That sucks. Let's say method symbol itself, locations of 0, source span. Yeah, that's better. And I guess that's okay. I mean, if I did the whole method, I think I do that on the other one as well. I just thought that it would actually like put just on the return value itself. Return type declaring syntax references. Just say 0 locations. Let's say span. Okay. Well, there wasn't any. Oh, never mind. I was thinking the wrong thing. Oh, maybe I'm thinking like the yeah, I don't think I'm quite thinking of this right. This is like the type and its location, and well, string is somewhere and it can't find it. Okay, I'm doing that all wrong. I think I'm mostly probably all doing that wrong. I should get another beer. I only have 3 left. What do I do here? See, here I say argument. Oh, but that makes sense because yeah, let's just do that. Let's just say methods and locations. Okay. Let's do this, run it, put it in the v6 and see what happens. Let's see what happens. I should do a write-up of all the, like do a study of all the analyzers I did in CSLA and like reflect back on what I've done, how stupid it might be. But to like do an article on, like after doing this for how long, like some tips I found, things I've done, blah, blah, blah. Okay. That Load up the project. Let's see if it fails now. Let's see if it fails now. And look at that, look at that. Oh my God, look at that. That's so cute. There's no fix for this. I know it's doing one. But yes. Return type for an operation should be either void or task. So these. So we learned something new today, folks. What happens if I made this? What happens if I made this a task of int? And I said task from result of 1. Good. That actually is exactly what I wanted. Perfect. Awesome. Yay. Okay, cool. So, and just because I can, I want to just not CSLA. We're going to throw one of these puppies in, and it shouldn't matter. It should not matter. Should not matter. And it doesn't. Good. All right. We are good. We are good. So let's go into my handy dandy little whack terminal. Let's say git add. And now we're going to say git commit. And then I always, this is 1100. Analyzer working. Yay. All right. What do I want to do? It's 15 minutes. Do I want to play with the idea of doing a code fix? Why not? Why not? That's what I say. Why not? Why not? Okay. So, what would it do? We have to add, if it's not async, then we want it to be void type. If it's async, we want it to be task. The tricky thing with task is I don't know if you actually have the using statement in place. And you'd want that. I know I'm doing that with the serializable thing. I can say, if you don't have it, then put it in. And I think I can do my code fix, kind of. There's a couple things in here I've done with code fixes I think I can steal, borrow, and beg from. Where's the serializable code fix? So the analyzer here, that's okay. This is so in there I look and say, do you have the using? And if you don't, then I add it. Okay. You do get here. Oh, come on. Good. You get the semantic model. That would have been bad. Okay, so I think, because I'm going to give it the method, and this is a class declaration syntax, but I'm giving a method declaration syntax. And, yeah, okay. Stop babbling. So the analyzer, in this case, I don't pass in anything. So that's okay. So let's come back over here. And we're gonna... No! What the hell? That was wrong. I'm struggling because I always like say find operation with incorrect return types. Fixed return type, code fix. God, what an awful, crappy name. Find operations with incorrect return type. Resolve correct type. Code fix. I just feel bad. I'm a bad person for having such awful names. What's wrong with you, Jason? You're so bad. Okay. Boilerplate, yak shaving. Let's come back over here because I forgot. Those are all used, right? Yeah, I did. Okay. Okay. So we need this. What? Oh, yeah. Yeah, gotta inherit from the thing and the stuff. No, why'd you... Spaces. Blah. Match fixer. I think that's good. Then we need one more. One more. Okay, and then we do... that stuff, except this one's going to be a method declaration syntax. What do I call it? Method. Wait, what? Yeah. Method node commit. Okay. Code fix. Now, what the... Do what I say, not what I do. Not the thing in the do. The stuff. Method node. What is that? Well, good question. Because I don't know either. Yeah, that's got to be a method declaration syntax. Okay. Oh, heck no. I know. Await. Context. Document. Get. Semantic Model. Context cancellation token? Yeah. Pass that around. Pass that around. Okay, so now I need to model that. Okay. And what I just did over here, I say we need the method symbol. Model. Okay. So now we have that. Okay. If... Oh, and we want to do this again. Oh no. I can cheat. If method symbol is async, else. Because there's two strategies I want to do. Okay. Okay, how am I going to do this? to do this. No. It's not what I want. It's not what I want. What I want. Yeah, that's really what I wanted. And by that I mean not at all. Okay, so method type syntax. To the Rosalind quoter. No. String foo. What do you actually generate? Okay, so it's saying class decoration with members. Yeah, but you don't know what that is. You know, you're like going, what is he talking about? Because in a method declaration, you can actually pass in, apparently, a method declaration. Yeah, it takes the return type there. But that's not... type syntax. Well, how do I... where type here, ref, simple base type, tuple type, type... I don't want to create a type declaration. I want to create a type syntax. But identifier name does it? I want to replace sent on the method node return type. How do you generate a type syntax? Am I overthinking this? Rosalind, C# generate type syntax. This point seems I need to parse a string to get a typed syntax in case for the return type, and you want to put I really? Isn't there like a syntax factory? I thought there was like a special way to handle voids. Because what does the quoter do if you say void here? Predefined type. That's right. Okay. So here I could say, following this, return root, replace node with a syntax factory predefined type of a syntax factory token of a syntax kind void keyword. And it's just that simple. Oh, I need to. Okay, so when I'm doing the add code fix, I'm saying add attribute. That gives me the new root. I need to. I don't need to return anything. I'm just saying, right? Yeah. See, our new root is equal to that. And I'm also assuming that I just listen to, okay. So that is if the method is not async. And then I would say here, context, register code fix. Am I that stupid? I really do that. I'm like that. Oh, do I stick them? Oh, I put them all into, okay. I think that's what, yeah, okay. Okay. I get it. I'm getting it. I'm getting my stupid, okay, and then I did, the name, change return type to void. Sure. I think that makes sense-ish. Let's get rid of this. Am I on the right thing? Yes, I am. You do both of them. Okay. Okay, it's just, no. There, okay. So that is if you do void. It's not async. If it is async, we're going to do another episode. Because I feel like I'm a little close, but we're at the time. So I'm going to stop here. This one's going to be a little bit more involved. And we'll get to it. We'll write it, get some tests in, and then hopefully should be in the clear. So thank you all for watching. Leave comments and questions below. See you in the next episode.